Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Xiaomi Mi portable printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to your smartphone. So first, of course, you need to download the Mi Home application from the App Store or from the Google Play. Then you need to log in into the Xiaomi account and click on the plus button on the right top corner of the screen and click Add Device. Here on this tab, you need to press and hold power button on your Xiaomi Mi portable photo printer device until the Bluetooth button will be light. And now on this step, if your Bluetooth lamp is not lighting, it means that you have to charge your printer. So now try to go back and click plus and add device again, and cool, as you can see, Mi portable printer is visible right now in the application. So click on it and click OK. Wait a while. And now we need to press on the power button to confirm the pairing. Press and release. Wait a second and cool. Now we need to set a room. So, for example, work. Click next. Set the printer's name and click next. Mi portable for the printer, OK. And now, as you can see, printer not connected. So now we need to connect our printer using the Bluetooth. So open the settings, find here Bluetooth, and here, as you can see, I have this device right now, but I need to remove it, and I need to reload the Bluetooth. And here, as you can see, in the other devices, I have Mi portable photo printer, so I need to click on it. So I'll click on it too, and go back into Xiaomi Mi Home application and call Mi portable photo printer. Stand by. So now I can print photos using this printer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.